Important pronunciations in English. Patriarchal. Patriarchal. Patriarchal is a system in which men hold primary power and authority. ऐसा सिस्टम जहां पर पुरुष प्राइमरी पावर और ऑथोरिटी में रहते हैं. He looked a truly patriarchal figure. Epitome. 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 Epitome is a perfect example of something. किसी चीज का प्रतीक. She is an epitome of grace. He is an epitome of kindness. Hyperbole. Hyperbole. Hyperbole यानी बढ़ा चढ़ा कर बोलना या exaggerate करना. To make something sound more interesting, that is called hyperbole. The plea was bit of a hyperbole. Gesture. Gesture यानी अंग संकेत, हाथ या सिर हिलाकर इशारा करना. Movement of hand or head to express something. He made a rude gesture. Misogyny. Misogyny. Misogyny means hatred towards women. The movie was criticized for its portrayal of misogyny. Mischievous. Mischievous. Mischievous यानी शरारती. Liking to behave badly or annoy someone. इसे कहते हैं mischievous. She had a mischievous look in her eyes. Niche. Niche. Niche means a specialized segment in the market or an unique area of expertise. यानी कोई विशिष्ट स्थान. She needs to find her niche. Squirrel. Squirrel. Squirrel is a rodent जिसे हम हिंदी में गिलहरी बोलते हैं. A squirrel is running up the tree. Hierarchy. Hierarchy is a system where people are ranked in order of their importance or authority. इसे हिंदी में पदानुक्रम कहते हैं. Hierarchy. She is high up in the management hierarchy. Heinous. Heinous यानी utterly wicked, बहुत ज़्यादा नृशंस, वो कहते हैं heinous. He committed a heinous crime. Athlete. Athlete यानी खिलाड़ी, sports person, उसे कहते हैं athlete. Ronaldo is an exceptional athlete. Cache. Cache. Computer's memory that stores copies of data. The cache memory was full. Maniac. Maniac. Person with mental illness, जिसका मानसिक संतुलन सही नहीं है, उसे maniac बोलते हैं. She was attacked by a maniac. Salad. Salad. इसे हम हिंदी में कहते हैं सलाद. Sentence. I was preparing a non-veg salad. Genre. Genre. A particular style of music, literature, art, movie, etc. जैसे कि romantic genre, comedy genre. Sentence. The book was a classic of romantic genre. Jewelry. Jewelry यानी ornaments, जिसे हिंदी में हम गहने बोलते हैं. She owns a lot of jewelry. Archive. Archive. Collection of historical documents or records. The documents are stored in the company's archive. Asthma or asthma is a respiratory disease जिसे हम दमे की बीमारी बोलते हैं हिंदी में. He suffers from asthma. Cliche. Cliche. Cliche यानी घिसा पिटा. An idea that has been used so many times that has become uninteresting or doesn't seem real anymore. तो इसे कहते हैं cliche. It's a cliche but true. Coupon. Coupon. Coupon यानी रसीद या फिर पर्चा. इंग्लिश में हम इसे रिसीट भी बोलते हैं. Coupon. You just won a coupon. nausea, nausea, feeling of sickness or an urge to vomit, जी मचलना या फिर बीमार सा लगना. Sentence: the stench produced a feeling of nausea. Quinoa, quinoa एक तरह का ग्रेन है. Quinoa is rich in protein. Rendezvous, rendezvous एक फ्रेंच वर्ड है. It means a meeting with someone or a place where people often meet. तो किसी से अगर कोई मीटिंग अरेंज की गई है उसे रॉन्डेवू कहेंगे, या एक जगह जहां पे लोग अक्सर मिला करते हैं. Priya had a secret rendezvous with her childhood friend. Subtle, subtle, be silent है. Subtle means not very noticeable, बहुत ही हल्का या फिर बारीक. Sentence: the sari has subtle shades of blue and pink. Suite, not suit. Suite, a set of hotel rooms. The hotel's living room suite looks great. Turquoise, turquoise, blue green color. हिंदी में हम इसे फिरोजा रंग बोलते हैं. The sea was a beautiful deep turquoise. Gourmet, gourmet, one who enjoys food and knows a lot about it. स्वादिष्ट भोजन पसंद करने वाला उसे कहते हैं gourmet. He is a true gourmet. Comedian and not comedian. सही pronunciation है comedian. One whose job is to make us laugh. जिसका पेशा है लोगों को हंसाना. जैसे कि कपिल शर्मा is a comedian. The comedian looked extremely funny.